Thegia ya gukorwo President Kenyatta ni mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga ni maiguanire kunina ndugamano cia kiuteti itemi-ini ria guthara bururi kumana na uteti utari na kihariro. Ateti kuma gicua-ini no mathiete na mbere kwendekithia uiguano uyu utamburukio makaunti-ini. Gunga Mwinga ni mũmbunge wa tene wa Kaloleni.
We expect all the governors in this country and all the other elected leaders, number one, to ensure that they have a sitting with their opponents, with the ones they went to the ballot together, so that they can as well shake hands as has happened at the national level.
Mwinga uria oho ni mumemba wa kamiti ya kurehe urumwe gicua-ini akiuga maseneta, magavana udumwe na ma MCAs kaunti-ini ciothe ithathatu gicua-ini mabatie maheo kanya munio mabaruthi a itugi-ini cia uthii wa na mbere cia President Kenyatta.
We appreciate the spirit of handshake that one said it. But the moment we peg handshake to 2022 politics, we dilute its meaning. And that's what has been happening. The interpretation of the handshake has always been a realignment of 2022. Yeah. We want the two principles again to come clear on this.
Pia tupewe jukumu ya kuleta uwiano hapa mashinani.
Hideni oreu gavana wa Mombasa ni aragire na giikaro na President wa tene Daniel Moi mucini gwake Baringo, kuria murio senator wa Baringo Gideon Moi aramunyitire ugeni.
No ogle.
Nona gutuika kira kirarire mucemanio uyu gitire kirahithiranio ni gwikuitwo mutaratara wa kumatia ndugu yake bururi-ini guo urare muoroto munene. Giribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.
Glad to see you again.